Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. Before we can start this video, I have to perform some YouTube magic to get ourselves in the right mood. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3. So today I will create an illustration in honor of a great movie that just came out some weeks ago, and that is Gun Maverick. I was a big fan of the first movie that came out in the 80s, and I'm very excited that we now have a great sequel with once again Tom Cruise as the leading man. So let's not wait any longer, let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Top Gun. I remember watching this movie in the 80s and dreaming of being a fighter pilot myself. It's such an iconic franchise and it launched Tom Cruise into stardom. And let's not forget the amazing soundtrack with that guitar instrumental main theme. So I'm very excited with this sequel, and if you want to learn more about this movie, keep watching the video, I'll tell you more about it. And guys, are there some other movies that you would like me to turn into an illustration? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Gun Maverick is a 2022 American action drama film directed by Joseph Kosinski. It's a sequel to the 1986 movie Top Gun. The film stars Tom Cruise as Captain Pete Maverick Mitchell, reprising his role from the original, alongside Miles Teller, Jennifer Connelly, John Hamm, Len Powell, Louis Pullman, Ed Harris and Val Kilmer. Over 3 decades after his time at Top Gun, Captain Pete Maverick Mitchell is serving as a US Navy test pilot, as he is intentionally avoiding promotion in order to continue flying aircrafts. One day, as Rear Admiral Chester Hammer Kane approaches to shut down the hypersonic Dark Star scramjet program and redirect the funds to the drone programs, Maverick flies the prototype to its speed objective and then pushes it further into hypersonic speed, destroying it. Kane wants to ground Maverick for his recklessness, but instead sends him to NIS North Island as a Top Gun instructor, under the orders of Maverick's friend and former rival Admiral Tom Iceman Kazansky, the commander of the US Pacific Fleet. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Yes, you. Would you like to own a sticker or a print or a t-shirt or a coffee mug with my art on it? Well, from now on, that's possible. I opened a webshop on Redbubble, Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. So I upload my art and they will print it for you on a wide range of cool products and gadgets. This way you can get yourself some original designs and support me as an artist at the same time. I've put a link in the description if you want to take a look, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm already very honored that you are here watching my video. And you can also support me for free by subscribing to my channel or just liking this video. Now back to making art. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my drawing of Top Gun Maverick, and are there some other movies that you would like me to draw as well? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me in this channel even more, please share this content on other social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!